Hey everyone, the LCD5S open-back headphones boast perfect balance. Offering a warmer and softer sound than the previous model, they are a much more versatile high-end headphone, suitable for a wider range of listeners and encompassing a greater variety of genres. The link is available in the description. You can check for the best price. Let's start with a luxurious design. The LCD5S retains the same form factor as the existing LCD5, while adding design elements inspired by the LCD4Z. Copper materials are used to emphasize a luxurious feel, with the adjustment rods appearing to be a color closer to rose gold. The copper grill mesh, copper tone labels, copper or rose gold adjustment rods, and the slam copper/rose gold rings positioned between the new ear pads and the acetate housing dyed and polished in a tortoiseshell color provide a richer visual effect. To my eyes, the ear cup housings have a stronger yellow or gold tint, giving them a slightly more vibrant look. However, since dyes were used, the finish may vary slightly from ear cup to ear cup, so it is possible that this is due to differences in the production process. Comfort. The LCD5S has undergone significant changes in how it is worn on the head, particularly in terms of pressure distribution and ear pad design. As a result, it offers a much more comfortable fit than the previous model. Of course, I must mention upfront that the fit of the LCD5S may not quite measure up to top-tier headphones like the Susvara or Empyrean, which snugly wrap around the temples. However, if you have used the LCD4Z, you will likely feel that the LCD5S approaches that level, which is quite satisfactory. Dragon cable audio cables are an important element that should never be overlooked when listening to music. Hi-Fi Audio's Dragon cables bring out the richness of the sound you love from your music and audio equipment. If you like your current headphones but wish the high frequencies were a little clearer, the Silver Dragon headphone cable would be a good choice. If your USB cables keep breaking, just like typical off-the-shelf cables, check out our high-quality USB audio cables. Sound. To put it simply, the LCD5S features the most pleasing tuning of any Audeze earphone I have heard so far. While delivering excellent clarity and resolution similar to the original LCD5, it has smoothed out several key frequencies where some vocals or instruments could sound rough or sharp on the original LCD5. The true value of the LCD5s is best revealed in the mid-range. The LCD5s imbues instruments and vocals with vivid realism through a highly natural tone, delivering a lifelike performance experience that feels as if it were recorded in a studio, thanks to its excellent separation and sense of layering. It provides a rich sound without leaning toward an overly artificial tone. The treble spreads out broadly without feeling muffled and delivers clear highs. It captures every minute detail and clarity, ensuring that the high notes of violins and electric guitars are perfectly delivered to the listener's ears. The LCD5S creates a three-dimensional, wide, and realistic soundstage that is neither exaggerated nor unnatural. Other features. The Audeze LCD5S is an open-back flat magnetic driver headphone, similar in size and shape to the previous LCD5. It shares several features with the previous version, such as a 90mm driver, Audeze's latest Phasor waveguide, nanoscale diaphragm thickness, and 14 neodymium N50 magnets in a single-sided fluxor magnet array. However, there are several key differences, including the aforementioned SLAM technology, an improved chassis structure for the driver diaphragm, mid-range reinforcement, and a more comfortable ear pad design. SLAM technology intensively improves the bass of the LCD5, delivering richer and more powerful bass than the flat bass response of the original LCD5 without increasing the diaphragm's range of motion or significantly compromising efficiency. The most noticeable visual feature of SLAM technology inside the LCD5 is the gold ring added between the ear cup and the ear pad. This is a feature not present in the previous model. This ring features multiple precisely tuned physical channels that serve as a passageway between the ear pads and the driver, relieving pressure and amplifying the LCD5's bass response by a few decibels compared to the previous model without distortion. The load has increased slightly from 14 ohms to 35 ohms on the LCD 5, but the sensitivity remains unchanged at 90 dBmW.